Dear student, good morning. See the topic application of sets. If A and B are finite set, that is NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. By Venn diagram, A union B are defined. See the proof of expression. NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. On the behalf of Venn diagram, you can write NA union B is equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B plus NB minus A. We add and subtract by NA intersection B, then we can write NA union B is equal to NA minus B plus NA intersection B plus NB minus A plus NA intersection B minus NA intersection B. Then we can write at place of NA minus B plus NA intersection B NA and NB minus A plus NA intersection B NB. Then the above expression we can write NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. This is the proof of above expression. Second, if A and B are disjoint set, then NA intersection B is equal to phi. So N of A intersection B is equal to 0. So the above expression can be write NA union B is equal to NA plus NB. Third, if A, B and C are finite set, then NA union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus NA intersection B intersection C. See the example. If NA is equal to 33, NB is equal to 27, NA union B is equal to 58, then find NA intersection B. You have formula NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Then we use the value of NA union B, NA, NB. Then put in this expression. So the value of NA intersection B is equal to 2. Next, if NU is equal to 50, NA is equal to 27, NB is equal to 27, NC is equal to 25, NA intersection B is equal to 15, NB intersection C is equal to 16, NC intersection A is equal to 14, NA intersection B intersection C is equal to 9, then find NA union B union C complement. So we have NA union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NC intersection A plus NA intersection B intersection C. Putting the value of NA, NB, NC, NA intersection B, NAB intersection C, NC intersection A and NA intersection B intersection C, the value of NA union B union C will come 43. So the complement of NA union B union C is equal to NU minus NA union B union C. Therefore, NA union B union C complement is equal to 50 minus 43, so it is equal to 7. This is the solution of this example. Dear student, see the exercise 1.6, which is based on the application of the sets. First, if X and Y are two sets such that Nx is equal to 17, Ny is equal to 23, Nx intersection Y is equal to 38, find Nx intersection Y. You have relation Nx union Y is equal to Nx plus Ny minus Nx intersection Y. Therefore, putting the values, so we can write 38 is equal to 17 plus 23 minus Nx intersection Y. After calculation, you can find the value of Nx intersection Y is equal to 2. See the question number 3rd. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 speak English. How many speak can both Hindi and English? Let H represent the Hindi and E represent English. So we can suppose NH union E is equal to 400, NH is equal to 250, NE is equal to 200, NH intersection E is equal to what? NH union E is equal to NH plus NE minus NH intersection E. Putting the values, so we can write NH intersection E is equal to 450 minus 400. Therefore, NH intersection E is equal to 50. Question number 5. If x and y are two sets such that x has 40 element, x union y has 60 element, and x intersection y has 10 elements, how many elements does y have? So nx is equal to 40, and y is equal to what? And x union y is 60, and x intersection y 10. So putting these value in the expression, nx union y is equal to nx plus ny minus nx intersection y. Therefore ny is equal to 30. See the question number 7. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? If C represent cricket and T represent tennis, then we can write NC union T is equal to 65, NC is equal to 40, NC intersection T is equal to 10, and find NT minus C and NT. So we have expression NC union T is equal to NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. Putting the values, so the value of NT will come 35. Again NT minus C is equal to NT minus NT intersection C. Therefore NT minus C is equal to 35 minus 10, that is 25. So NT minus C is equal to 25. This is the complete of exercise 1.6. Remaining question you do in homework. That's all for today.